How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing our take on the Marry Me Chicken pasta dish. If y'all want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, so first off, this is all the ingredients we used for the dish. As always, it'll be listed in the description box in full detail. And with that being said, now let's begin prepping. Alright, now we're going to get started on our roux. We're going to go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of butter. Get this all melted down. And now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of flour. We're going to get this to a nice smooth consistency. Break up all the chunks. That's starting to look good. We're going to go ahead and set this off to the side now. Now it's time to get started on our noodles. Go ahead and bring your water to a boil. You can use as much as you'd like. We went with the 1/4 pack of fettuccine noodles. That looks good. Alright, let's go ahead and pull these. Alright, now it's time to get our chicken breast ready. We took 1 chicken breast and sliced it in half. Alright, now it's time for seasoning. Oil as a binder. And a light layer of garlic salt, pepper, and regular salt. Make sure to season both sides. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get ready to fry our chicken. Make sure to preheat your pan and add some oil till it reaches a smoking point. And place your chicken. We're going to let this go for about 4 to 6 minutes on medium to medium high heat. We're looking for a golden brown color. Let's go ahead and give it a flip and finish it off on this side. Alright, this is looking done, so let's go ahead and pull it. Alright, with the same pan that we used to cook our chicken in, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. We're going to start off with 4 tablespoons of shallots. One and a half tablespoons of garlic. A half a cup of chicken stock. One teaspoon of oregano, 1/8 teaspoon of crushed red peppers, one-third cup of sun-dried tomatoes, one cup of heavy cream, Alright, we're going to give this a good mix and go ahead and simmer this down. And slice our chicken up and get ready to add it. Alright, go ahead and add your chicken. About 2 tablespoons of basil. And we're going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of the roux we made earlier. This is going to thicken up our sauce so it can have a nice smooth consistency. Go ahead and add your noodles. Give this a good mix. Top it off with some parsley. Go ahead and give this a good mix. Alright, let's go ahead and begin plating. This is how we did it. You can do it however you'd like. Top it off with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Finish finish it off with parsley if you'd like. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this dish, and I'll see y'all on the next one.